Salut à tous, je suis ici donc à Las Vegas à l'Extreme Couture en compagnie de la combattante de l'UFC Miesha Tate. Thank you Miesha for this interview.
Of course.
How was the training today?
It was good. I felt really good. It was one of my last sparring sessions, so 3 hard 5-minute rounds and felt really good.
Yeah, so you're fighting Jessica soon, right?
Yeah, July 25th.
And yeah, I saw that for your sparring, you spar with guys. Sometimes it was tough.
Yeah, you know, first round I sparred with another top female competitor, and then the other 2 rounds was against guys, you know, so it's all about who can match the style that I'm looking for. And, you know, I fight women, so it's good to train sometimes with women, but also training with guys, you know, pushes you to a different level.
Is it hard for you to do the cutting for the fight?
No, you know, I stay pretty close to the fight weight, so I just stay there all year round, so I never have to cut too much.
Okay, so what about Jessica? How can you describe this opponent?
Well, I mean, she's very tough. She's good and well-rounded. She's really quick, but I think her best thing is probably her boxing. She's very accurate and very fast.
Yeah, so now you're on a 3 wins streak, right?
Yes.
If you have this win against Jessica, can you expect to have a title shot again?
That's what they're telling me. So, I mean, that's what I keep hearing from the UFC, that whoever wins out of this one, you know, if Jessica wins, then, you know, she would be next for the title shot, and if I win, then that's what they're telling me, so, yeah.
Do you have more pressure when, you know, they promise these kind of things?
I mean, yes and no, but the thing is like I have to really just focus on this fight and not look beyond it that much, you know. I mean, I know it's very important, but every fight is your next most important fight. So, I mean, I can't be looking at that fight with Ronda yet, you know. I mean, I have to think like, hey, it's this fight right now. This is the fight that has my focus, and once I'm past that fight, then whatever comes in the future, you know. I mean, I could have another fight, or it could be Ronda. I mean, it doesn't matter, but right now it's all about Jessica.
Already, what's your favorite fight that you've done? I remember this fight with Julie Kedzie at the Strikeforce, which was amazing. What's your favorite?
Oh, that's so hard. I feel like the more and more fights. I mean, maybe my fight might have been with Sarah McMahon, just because I knew that was going to be a really tough style matchup for me and a very tough fight, and she cracked me so good in the first round, and, you know, I think that I was just able to, like, show my heart, you know, that I came through and was able to win that fight despite, you know, having that really rocky start. So, I mean, I think that was you know, that was one of my favorite fights.
What are your picks for the fight between Ronda Rousey and Beth Correa?
I think that Ronda is going to win just because I think Beth's not experienced enough, you know, and I know they're trying to, like, hype the fight and build it, but I mean, she's undefeated, yeah, but I mean, I feel like the girls that she fought, no one ranked in the top 10, you know, so, okay, some people look at my record and say, oh, well, you know, on paper she looks like she's better than you, but I mean, I think just because I'm fighting all, you know, Ronda, Kat Zingano, Sarah McMahon, they're all 1, 2, 3 top level women, and I'm, you know, at least competitive, you know, or winning those fights. So, and she's fighting girls that are ranked like 14th, 15th, you know, 16th, and okay, yeah, she's winning, but I would win. I think I would win those fights too, you know. So. And
have you identified some weaknesses maybe in Ronda's game?
Weaknesses? I mean, yeah, for sure. I mean, I still think that she shies away from when she actually gets hit, you know. She can't help it, but she just is shy from it, you know. And I feel like I'm the opposite, you know. The more I get hit, the more I get hurt. It's like I'm just like I'm that it drives the competitor out of me. So, you know, and Ronda's is not the same, you know. Even when I did the bicycle kicks, you know, like instead of like her coming more at me, she's like, whoa, I don't want that, you know. And like I hit her with the right hand, whoa, I don't want that, you know. And I mean, I just think that she just has a weakness there.
Your nickname is Cupcakes. What's your favorite flavor?
Probably salted caramel. I love salted caramel. Yeah, it's very good.
So sometimes you're preparing cupcakes for Brian?
Yeah, for sure. When he's not in fight camp. Not right now because he has to cut a lot of weight.
Right.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for this interview, Miesha, and all the best for your fight.
I appreciate it. Thanks, guys.